hot. It was most weighted package from China ever. I have read, heard and watched a lot videos about this stuff, so I was very excited to waiting for this. Package arrived unexpectedly fast, 4 or 5 days since it was shipped from China. So I think it was air mail with the main stuff. In the box I found something like that. I don't know what for, but it's nice and pleasure. Okay. T-shirt and hat. It's like medium size, but I think I'm a small, I'm not medium. So what we have here? Fine box, so it was really pleasure to unpack this. And here we have charger for batteries. And it's really good charger. It's not just the bottom and that's all. Here we have a lot of information about batteries, level of charging, and I think it's best you can buy. Beautiful box, so it was nice to unpack, and inside we have this beautiful case, which is also used for UV sterilization, and following the description on Ai-tenitas website was laboratory tested and killing almost 100% bacteria. I'm not sure if it can replace standard sterilization, disinfection or autoclave, but I think it's good additional to standard, one more protect for your machine and your house. But for sure, no one made something like that before. Inside we have a box with batteries. You can take with you 2 batteries and 1 more into the machine. USB cable for using a sterilization case, and of course art. I think it's really art. One more important thing before I will tell you about machine: batteries. Simple, most available batteries ever. I think it's best solution for tattoo artists. You can buy this battery even in every vape shop. You don't need to pay $250 for another battery. You know what I mean. Prophet. It looks awesome. Maybe I have some objections for this bottom, but I think it's a matter of taste. It's like a gun, gives self-confidence. It's very pleasant to touch aircraft aluminum, which is described as scratch and corrosion resistant. And I saw the list of tests that they made. It's strange. They made really strange things with this machine. They freeze it in water. They drive big all-road car by this machine. You can watch it. I will write the link to Instagram, and you can find and see these videos. It's amazing. It's impossible tests. Of course, after all these tests, they just turn it on and it works. And what more about design? Something new. The screen with angle, white ring. You can change 3 modes. You can set 3 modes of lighting, and you can turn every color you want, every color you imagine. It's possible choose one of 16 million colors. Very soft and tight needle depth set. It works hard but stable and smooth. And turning on. You can set your voltage with this button. And most important thing, I thought that it will be touch screen. I afraid that, but it's normal button. Here, click. What we have inside? Inside we have 6 watts full Haber engine, the same as Cheyenne Solnova and Flux. So we can say that it's premium level machine, but this one works without any problems. You know, it's not enough to put inside looking nice tube, powerful engine. You must organize good control for this engine, this motor. And I think Ai-tenitas made it really good. So you can run it from 5 till 12 volts, and even on 5 volts it runs hard pushed needles. And here we have 2 modes. I know it's not new one, but what can I say? It's first machine where these 2 modes really works, and you can turn these modes, set modes, this way. See, it's flexible mode, runs steadily with consistent hard hits, and efficient mode. Adjusted the power when hitting the skin. Nice. Then I already worked with this tester machine during last week, and you know, few brands already made this 2 modes of tattooing in tattoo machines, but really it's first time I feel that it really works. You know, I don't like soft machines. I'm working hard, fast, but in this with this machine I'm really love to make some details, make some soft shadings. It's amazing. You know, when you just take this machine in your head, you want to make tattoos. I still learning this machine, but already noticed that in flexible mode I use 8.5 volts, but when I turn efficient mode I need 9.5. It's really interesting how they made it. Machine became really slowly, but in the same time still powerful and strong heat. Amazing. What about battery? As I said, in my opinion, this kind of batteries is the best solution for artists, most comfortable, most handle, and this battery enough for 7-8 hours. 7 for sure, but you must understand that I'm working on a high voltage. And for example, in this moment we have here, you see how much battery, and I made already 2 big tattoos, tomorrow and today. Now I show you how long take changing battery. That's all. And one more important thing, and not every artist will use it, but for someone it can be useful. It's application. It's not first time a tattoo machine have own application, but for sure it's first time when application works exactly as it should work. So application, adjustments and settings of machine, voltage, presets. You can organize your presets by yourself. Lights, which can work in 3 modes. General, always shine, breathing and colorful. Now I will try to show you. Ready to connect. Order. You can change the store or theme unit. If you work by hours, you're charging by hours, so you can change here your price, language of course, and information about customer. It's like a database of customers. Appointments, make new appointments, add the new tattoo, so you can choose the customer, add the price or piece, what the price, some notes, save, and here we have machine, start work. So here you can change the voltage, some presets, mode of machine, put here the picture and work with it. Turn on, turn off, change the voltage. And it works really fast. See? Here we have time of tattooing. Here we have presets in different modes, flexible and efficient, and lightning. Here you see you can choose your color. For example, green, confirm, you see? It works so fast, like that. Like blue. Different lights when it's pausing, working, both light effects, battery, even you can choose the color, what will be color when battery less than 20%. Okay. So breathing and colorful. It's like rainbow. A lot of settings, a lot of possibilities, and no, in general I don't need application, but maybe I will use it. It looks really great, and you have more settings than in manual mode. In conclusion, my expectations of this machine are met. For $700, I've got equipment which can do a lot more than it costs, for sure. These innovations that other brands, leave these innovations on the level of idea or realize it, but screw it, and it doesn't work like it should. Ai-tenitas just made it, and it works as it should to work, and it not cost absurd price. So I can honestly recommend this tattoo machine. For me at this moment, I'm in love in this stuff. Just in love in the stuff. It's number one for me now. When I hold this tattoo machine in my hand, I just want to do something. I want to make tattoos. I had no something like that. This happiness about tattoo machine, I think 2.5, maybe almost 3 years. It was last time when I took my Flux first generation. Now it's the same. I just want to make tattoos. I used a lot of tattoo machines during almost 15 years. I have tried almost everything, and for sure it's one of the best tattoo machines.